better. She taught me about love, a little about life, and then she taught me how to say goodbye. My first mare was a deep red sorrow. She had the softest eyes, and together we would glide through fields and down trails. I was always taken care of. She taught me about love, a lot about my life, and then she taught me how to say goodbye. My first teacher was a wild old cowboy. He handed me the reins, and he taught me how to ride. He said his prayers in his church, sitting tall in the saddle, and he taught me about a lot about my life. Then he taught me how to say thankful for the laughter and the tears I cried, and I have been blessed with so